Hey folks, got another cool van for you to check out today, and wait till you see this one. If you want to know about top of the line off-road vans, this is it. This is a 2023 Mercedes-Benz 2500 Sprinter, and this was a custom build conversion van that was done by Colorado Campervans. And I've got the owners here, Rick and Sandy, and I'll introduce them here in a minute, that did all the ordering of the special features that this van has. This is an all-wheel drive van. It's got a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo motor, diesel motor, and it's got a 9-speed automatic transmission. This has only got 5,923 miles on it. I mean, this coach is like brand new. You've got front fog lights. You can see the tent. That's a motorized pop-up tent. And wait till you see what's up there, folks. It's a lot of room. 2 adults could sleep up there really easy. Now, to give you some of the other specs on this, it does have a 30-gallon freshwater holding tank and about a 3-gallon portable gray tank that's underneath the sink. Some of the other neat features, it does have 2 lithium 540 amp hour batteries and 190 solar panel watts of solar up on top of the pop-up up there. But just a neat floor layout here. This is all this beetle kill wood that came from Colorado that they used to put in here. Those are all the window shades. It does have an outside shower. That's the tent, and this is your shower right here. Again, it's off-road. They've got it lifted, and it does have special shocks. You guys have owned this since June of 2023, I think, is when they were done with the build. And you used it on a couple trips, and then your daughters used it, and her boyfriend. Correct. But that's about it. And because of some issues with your dogs, you know, dogs are great to have. You know, people always take dogs camping. But you just can't use this van the way you were planning to anymore, so that's why it's up for sale. But you had all, folks, wait till you read the ad for this. It's got all the special features, you know, driver assist and everything. It's got backup cameras, side cameras, Sirius radio. We'll just go in and start showing this. You got an outside table that comes down right here. You got another table that pops up right there that extends you got side rails, step rails right here. Both these seats are power and swivel. So the driver and passenger seat both swivel. And it's got a really nice leather on here. Now the countertop, got a nice sink right here. This turns out so you can have it this way or this way in the sink. It's got a refrigerator right here. It's a drawer refrigerator. You got a microwave right down there. And then this is a cassette toilet. And then this thing is an extra seat that just folds right down. But so now you got friends you can take wherever you want. Now these cushions lift up, and you've got storage under here. And down in there is where the lithium batteries are. Now that pole right there goes right in the center right here. Right down in a spot right down in here in the floor. You see that? And that lifts this table up. And then these areas turn into bench seats. So really simple to set up a place to have dinner. This is the other side storage area where your plumbing, water pump, and your aqua hot heating system is right there. So this folds down. Again, this is a dinette area, but when you put these cushions out, look how big this bed area is. I mean, it's like a king-size bed back here. That's a lot of room. Now, there is a portable stove that goes right there. You can hook up, and then I'll show you the pop-up area. It's got a nice linoleum flooring here that's really soft. It's got cushion in it. This coach, read about the insulation that I'll have in the ad, because it's really well insulated. There's the AC unit up there, and that's that 2000 BTU AC unit, but it's all insulated. It's got these lights right here that you can turn on with this switch. And they got dimmers and everything else that you can turn on. Hopefully you can see that. And then you've got all these zipper shades right here. I'll go up. But this area, 2 adults could sleep up here. It'd be a little tight, but the headroom up here is perfect. Now there's the motor that you push a button and this goes up and down. But all these zip shades right here will give plenty of ventilation. But that little AC unit, we had it running and it worked pretty well. It was fairly cool up here. Okay, we'll go back down. There's that seat. Nice deep sink right here. Put that back. Again, there's going to be a bunch more specs of this coach in my ad, so please be sure to read the ad because it's going to be very detailed. Those are BFGoodrich all-terrain tires. Got a 5,000-pound tow hitch. You got lights all around, backup camera. Look at the size of these speakers. You guys put a heck of a stereo in here.
We did, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a sound. Well, again, this coach is located in Denver, Colorado. Now, folks, you can tell this is not on a showroom lot. So showings are by appointment only. So call me at 720-660-3062, and I'll need at least a 24 to 48 hour notice to set up any showings. But you guys are going to miss this, aren't you? I mean, this is one trick van.
Yeah, it's really too bad that we couldn't hang on to it.
Because it's loaded with all the neat features with the lift and the extra high-end shocks that you put in here. But just a neat setup for 2 people. You want to get to the back of the lake, this will get you there. All-wheel drive. 2023, and I'll tell you, it looks like it's in just showroom condition. Okay, folks, give me a call, 720-660-3062. If you're looking for financing and you live in Colorado, check out Credit Union of Denver. They have their own RV department, and they've done some great loans for a bunch of my other customers in the past. Anything else, you guys?
Yeah, I'd just like to say that the reason we had the custom build was to make it accommodate 4 people for traveling in for sleeping.
Yeah, with that fold-up seat in there, 2 people can sit in there,
yep.
And you can take guests, and with that pop-up roof, you've got a upstairs apartment for them.
Yep, exactly.
Well, it's a nice setup. I mean, you guys, they got the side windows out here. Those side windows right there slide. These windows pop out a little bit, so you can get all kinds of ventilation going through here. Good-looking 2023 Mercedes-Benz 2500 Sprinter. Nice job. Okay, folks, give me a call. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in Denver.